Hey, welcome to my AI income engine review. Let's be honest for a second. How much money are you wasting on AI subscriptions every month? If you're juggling multiple platforms but still haven't built a real online revenue stream, you're caught in the exact trap most digital creators are facing right now. But what if you could take all those underlying AI models you already pay for, tie them into a single local command center, and deploy them to build a real profitable digital business in just 3 days? That is the exact promise behind Sean Donahoe's brand new event, the AI Income Engine. The 3-day workshop and free Wayland software, at its core, this is an intensive 3-day live workshop designed to show you how to turn AI into an asset-building machine. But the biggest reason people are rushing to register right now is what you get just for signing up. When you secure your seat, Sean is giving away his proprietary desktop software agent called Wayland completely free. Wayland acts as a local command center on your computer. It takes the AI engines you already use, like Claude, Gemini, and Codex, and plugs them into 73 built-in assistants and over 170 automated workflows. It basically builds automated specialist AI teams to do the heavy lifting for you so you can focus entirely on income. Day 1, the strategy and setup. So, what actually happens inside the 3-day workshop? Let's break down the daily roadmap. On day 1, it's all about strategy, opportunity discovery, and setup. Sean walks you through the exact blueprint for identifying high-margin digital assets in today's market. You'll learn how to fire up the Wayland software, choose your target model, and configure your very first automated AI specialist team so it's perfectly aligned to execute a profitable business framework. Day 2, building the core asset on heavy lift begins, or rather your AI does it for you. This day focuses entirely on execution. You will learn how to trigger Wayland's automated workflows to build out your core digital asset, whether that's high converting offer copy, lead generation assets, build a sales funnels, or automated content systems. Day 2 teaches you how to string multiple AI steps together so a complete digital asset is built and organized without endless manual prompt typing. Day 3, shipping and traffic systems. Then comes day 3, the final piece of the puzzle, shipping and monetization. This day teaches you how to push your new digital asset live and hook up automated traffic and distribution systems. Sean covers how to set up the daily 10-minute loop to run your new machine on autopilot, ensuring that once your asset is built, the ongoing management takes next to no manual effort. Look, the reality is that AI isn't going to make you money just sitting in an open browser tab. You need a structured roadmap, a deadline, and the right automation stack to actually get things done. The entry price for this 3-day workshop is incredibly accessible, and you get to keep the working Wayland AI agent no matter what. Seats for these live workshop rooms fill up incredibly fast during launch week. Click the link in the description below, lock in your spot, download your free copy of Wayland, and let's finally turn AI into an income engine. See you in the live room.